What's up, everybody? We're back with another video, and we up at Lanier Raceway for AXS Round 2. If y'all remember, I was at Atlanta Motorsports Park last month. That was for Round 1, so they're actually sharing the events with Caffeine and Octane. So 4 events are going to be at AMP, and then 4 events are going to be here at Caffeine and Octane for Autocross. So, as you know, brought the E36. If you haven't seen my videos before, LS swapped, 5.3 cam, T56, wide body, Willwood brakes, fitment lab, over fenders, and this is recent, the over fenders and the wheels, 18 by 10.5 all around, wrapped in a 285/35. So I already watched some of the runs already. I got here a little late. I watched some of the runs. I see the lay of the land, and it's not like the normal autocross that they do out here where it's head to head. It's actually a timed one car at a time, so that's going to be cool. And just like at Round 1 here, they're going to be giving out a podium ceremony. So let's get out there and see what we can do.
Last name?
Tomlinson. Tomlinson.
Tomlinson?
Yep.
So once you go through, checkered flag is the finish line.
Okay. Since
these are your first runs, pass it, loop around, we'll give you 3.
Okay, cool. Okay? Appreciate it. Okay. So we got some practice laps in. They're going to change the course around for the competition. The competition's about to start now. There was a lot more people here than expected, so it was a long waiting in grid to go out on track. But so they're rearranging the track now, and I got a slight little coolant leak, so I'm going to go ahead and take care of that too. Yeah, so I did have a leak at the upper expansion tank hose, but I put a zip tie on it and it stopped for now, but my brother's at the store picking up a radiator clamp for it. All right, so we went out for the sight laps for the competition. We're about to do 2 5-lap sessions. So they said the best lap out of those 10 is going to be what counts towards the podium. So I think there's 2 cars in front of me, and then it'll be our turn to go. So now we wait, and then it's time to put some laps in.
All right, so they just came back and changed it again. They said it's going to be 3 laps of 3 instead of 2 sessions of 5 because they want to try and help us save our brakes. So that was actually a good decision. I like that. Appreciate it.
did 3 or 4 that go around.
Shit, I don't know. Thought it was 4.
You better get one more.
A 71.7? Ah, shit! P2, baby!
The mini did a 71.5 his last run.
Ah, damn. So P3.
You're in third.
All right, cool.
He's in third.
He's in third?
71.7. You're right under the Mini Cooper.
All right, cool.
You're
Cool.
71.7. He's 71.5.
So who's in first?
That's 2000. He ran a 70.5.
Well, he ran a 70.5.
.5.
So yeah, you are at a solid 71.726, and the Miata is
The Miata is 72.2.
so you're at 5 times total.
Yeah. Damn P2. That what you like, huh?
P2 is the new P1 because of Max Verstappen, you know.
Alright, we're going to start with the heavy division. In third place with a fast time of 73.704 seconds, Max Germain. With a time of 71.726, second place, Dante Tomlinson.
Yeah.
I said it right.
Yes, sir. That was right. Thank you.
Winner in the heavy division with a time of 71.502, Justo Guerrera. I apologize for all the small Wang jokes we made on the broadcast. Because they're making so many big Wang jokes from all the time attack cars or the autocross.
Nice. It works.
Yeah, that's what I said. And your winner with a time of 70.533, Mr. Brad Turner.